Awarding time! Hello everybody, welcome to the awarding of the bike build-off for Motobuilds Pilipinas 2020 for the Makina Moto Show online. First and foremost, I would just like to say that what we are doing here is for the frontliners. I mean, while we are doing this, while we are doing what we love, we are keeping our frontliners in mind. Meaning all those registration fees that are coming in for Motobuilds Pilipinas 2020, it's all going to go to the frontliners 100%. And if you want to donate, you can also, in this BPI account, whatever amount you feel that you want to give for the frontliners. So again, just a quick recap, we gave 3 bikes to 3 top builders, 3 Yamaha XSR 155s. We gave them to Iron Makina Customs, we gave them to Coco Moto Manila, and we also gave to MC Customs. So basically, they had 1 month to build this, right? 1 month lang. And then after 1 month, reveal na tayo. So a few days ago, ni-reveal na natin yung bikes. It's in both the YouTube channel of Makina and Facebook. So if you haven't seen that yet and you're here in the awarding, huwag niyo muna panoorin to. Go back and watch that video first so that when you come here, it's more fun for you to watch this, right? So the bike build-off segment of Motobuilds Pilipinas is one of the highlights. We've done this since day one, since 2015. Ever since yun na, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So this year, because of what's happening in the world, we decided to push this online. And so far, so good. I mean, people are still doing their builds throughout all of this. And nakakatuwa, ang dami magagandang nangyari online din. Especially yung virtual build-off natin, yung mga drawings. Sobrang dami rin sumali doon. So nakakatuwa. Okay, before we announce on who won, I want to explain on how this person won, okay? So, the voting process. Basically, sa bike build-off, sila lang ang nag-judge. I'm talking about the participants. Sila lang. And the only time we incorporated a judge outside the participants was, I think, 2-3 years ago. So, nangyari naman doon, kung may special request yung mga participants na, oh, Zach, can we get this guy to judge the build-off? Pwede ba natin invite si ganito? Pwede ba natin invite si ganyan? And we try to accommodate. No problem. Basta okay sila doon. Now, the reason why sila lang ang nagja-judge, you know, bike build-off is such a stressful, you know, endeavor. Para mo gawin ng isang custom bike na to a certain level in only 1 month, hindi siya madali. So, we're very careful with the judges. So, to solve that, the pinaka-best is kayo mag-judge. I mean, you're all builders. May karapatan kayo to judge each other because you're all in the same contest. And yun nga, pag may outsider na judge na sasabak doon, galing din sa kanila. They request for the judge. So, again, sila nagbobotohan. So, apart from the participants, ang na-invite ng mga judges this year, I see Moto Kodak. Moto Kodak is basically a Facebook page and he takes lots of photos, nice photos of bikes, basically. So one of the participants said, hey, can we invite Moto Kodak to judge? And I go, sure, okay. And the other one was for Battle of the Champs. We're talking about Noel Marfori. He has been winning the bike build-off as well, and he's a fantastic and well-respected builder. Ang galing niya magpintura. I mean, he's one of the best painters in the industry, and a lot of motorcycle guys go to him and ask him to paint their bikes. Magaling talaga siya. He got invited by the participants, so he's one of the judges. We also have another surprise judge. He was also requested by the participants, although I did not tell them na umoo siya. I wanted him to be a surprise for later on. In fact, we've been giving a lot of surprises. Every year naman may surprise yan eh. We try to make this as exciting for the participants too. I told them na sa shoot ng bike reveal, malalaman nyo na rin kung sino yung winner, and then we're gonna be doing the awarding then and then. And then only to tell them last minute na, no, you're not gonna find out until now. Para lang di sila makatulog ng extra 3-4 days, diba? Parang may konti naman tayong, diba? Excitement. So that's it. I told them, okay, you're gonna have to wait. I'm making another video for the awarding. And they're like, what? Wala, ganun talaga. So yung mga participants, at least as far as I know, hindi nila alam kung sino yung binoto ng isa't isa. I mean, the judges definitely, they wouldn't tell them who they voted for. I mean, not yet. I mean, I told the judges, please don't tell who you voted for. Kung sila, I don't know kung nagkwentuhan sila na, binoto ko ta, or ikaw nga, binoto ko ta, hindi nga kita binoto eh. I don't know kung nag-usap silang ganun. So, as far as I know, I think this is the first time they're gonna see this. So, how did the voting happen? Watch this.
Kay Marco Clemente, yung tracker, napakaganda niya, minimalist yung gawa, and yet stand out sa crowd. You can use it every day. Kay Iron Makina, very beautiful and futuristic, high-tech na in everything. Very nice and very clean. Dito kay Coco, napakaganda. Alam ko gaano kahirap mag-beat ng aluminum. It's more on art. Ang hirap iboto, lahat ang gaganda, no? More on technology na tayo, no? Upgrade lahat. Kinostomize niya lahat. Pinush niya yung potential for 1 month build. mahirap yun. I vote for Iron Makina.
Medyo mahilig ako sa classic pa rin eh. Tsaka it's a heritage bike, so opinion ko as a builder na to keep the heritage of the XSR. Maganda yung lines at saka I like yung color scheme na napili niya. I voted for Marco Clemente's tracker.
I'm on that side na medyo gusto ko malinis yung motor talaga. Malinis yung pagkakagawa. Concept-wise, kakaiba siya. So, I'm voting for Marco.
Medyo ano kasi ako ngayon eh, into metal shaping. So, I'm amazed with what Coco did kasi sinuraw, di ba? Tapos yung pagkakagawa niya nung cowling niya, yung tank niya. So yun yung nagustuhan ko. So with that, I'm voting for Coco.
Hats off to Coco and to Marco for really doing their craft. Pero I really want to give it to Simon for doing such a really good job. Grabe, parang this is taking custom bike to a whole new level. This bike is international quality. Again, congratulations to Simon. I hope you represent this country in the future.
Okay, so at this point, as you can see, Coco Moto has 1 vote, Iron Makina has 2 votes, and MC Customs has 2 votes. So there is a potential here for a 3-way tie in case our surprise judge will vote for Coco Moto Manila. That said, the participants have agreed that ayaw nila ng tie. The only time kasi nagkaroon ng tie was during year 1. Laguna Choppers and Kratos Custom Cycles nag-tie sila because of the voting. Nag-internal voting sila. And it was the first year and we didn't really know what we were doing. So after that, the builder said, no, maganda talaga wala nang tie, dapat isa lang yung winner, you know. There can only be one. Isa lang ang magkakaroon ng bragging rights ng Bike Build-Off Champ. Ever since then, they've been inviting judges outside the participants, right? So now, since nakita ko na kung sino yung binote ng surprise judge natin, he did not vote for Coco Moto Manila. So that said, you know, Coco, I'd like to thank you for participating. You are now not in the running for Bike Build-Off Champ. So right now, it is between Iron Makina with 2 votes and MC Customs with 2 votes. So now, before we announce who the surprise judge voted for, syempre, kailangan ko introduce yung surprise judge natin. He was requested by the builders. They said, Zach, can you try getting this guy to be part of the judging this year? Sabi nila, it would mean a lot to us if he could take a look at our work. I said, okay, I'll try. And di ko sinabi sa kanila na umuo siya. And then I wanted to surprise them later on. So he's checking out the bikes on his own. Quick background on this guy, he is world-renowned. Kilalang kilala siya sa buong mundo sa larangan ng custom builds. His work comes out in international websites. You can check out his IG and you can check out his Facebook, and when you see his stuff, you'll know what I mean. He has an office in New Jersey, takes a lot of orders over there, and he operates here in the Philippines. And he's making all of us proud, you know, he's putting his mark out there and, you know, Pinoy siya. I'm talking about none other than Benji of Benji's Cafe Racer. So he is the last judge, and we're gonna see who he voted for. Okay, who did he vote for? Sarap mag-lemon water. Okay, and the winner is this year's Bike Build-Off Champ for Motobuilds Pilipinas 2020 under the Makina Moto Show is Iron Makina. Take a bow, congratulations Iron Makina. MC Customs, Marco, you did a great job as well. Congratulations on your build. Coco Moto Manila, thank you so much for participating. You guys, all of you guys have upped the game this year. Really high level competition with what you guys did. Congratulations to all of you. Yamaha Motor Philippines, maraming salamat for supporting Moto Builds year in, year out. You guys have been there from the beginning. This year naman, yung Yamaha XSR 155 ang trinabaho ng mga builders. Thank you so much for the bikes. Congratulations to all of you. Paul, Iron Makina Customs, you're the Bike Build-Off Champ this year. Congratulations. So still to come, of course, in Makina, it's the other categories. That's going to be very exciting. You got the Cafe Racer category, the Tracker, Vintage, Restored, and a bunch of other categories. Mga ibang klaseng builds din ng mga lalabas in the coming days in Makina. And we're going to be awarding those two soon. So keep it locked in on Makina for that. Again, congratulations everybody. This is Zach for Motobuilds Pilipinas 2020. Ciao!